Our Earth is on fire. Its creatures are fighting to survive. Global pandemics are threatening humanity. And we're literally wiping our butts with trees.
That's crap! Have you ever thought about how much toilet paper you use? We flush 27,000 trees down the drain every day just so you can have a clean tushy. But now, you can answer nature's call in a way that Mother Earth would approve. With FinalWipe, the world's first reusable toilet paper. Get out of here! Whether you're a water or a folder, that's me. FinalWipe replaces your unsustainable, rainforest-killing, pipe-clogging paper. FinalWipe is soft and plush. It feels like your backside's being caressed by a fluffy bear. Hey, big boy. From the makers of Final Straw, FinalWipe pairs perfectly with the smells of the underside of my tail. Whether you're draining the dragon, dropping the kids off at the pool, or enjoying a chocolate sunrise, FinalWipe's got your butt. Order now at FinalWipe.com.
Hi, my name's Emma, and I'm the founder of Final Straw. The video you just watched was originally shot as an April Fool's joke, but then the world changed, and we saw a huge need to replace single-use paper products with reusables. That's why we created FinalWipe. It's a reusable disinfectant wipe that you can use anywhere you're in your home and replace paper products. Just combine 1 clean tab with water and let it dissolve. Then add FinalWipes and let them absorb the sanitizing solution. FinalWipe Travel makes it easy to sanitize on the go, with compartments for clean and used wipes and a spray bottle for sanitizer. After use, toss them in your laundry and reuse over and over. You can use FinalWipe on your counters, bum, or your mouth. Just not in that order. As you probably know, Final Straw is a campaign that we launched on Kickstarter in 2018. It's a reusable, collapsible straw that fits right in your keychain and is meant for travel. But right now, no one's traveling. You're probably at home in quarantine, just like I am. So this is our Hail Mary, a plea to keep the company alive so we can keep making amazing reusable products forever. Sounds like a crazy idea, but it just might work. So I hope you love the campaign, share it, support it, and spread the love. Thank you so much, and stay safe out there.
Everyone's doing it. And you should too. Oh, I just did. I have to use it again. Okay.
Wait, so how do you poop?
Wouldn't you like to know? We don't poop. Oh, we do poop. We poop out of our belly button.